Hi guys, Brett here at Kendal Automart. Just going to take you around this lovely Nissan Qashqai we've just taken in. Just before I do, just want to tell you a little bit more about us here at Kendal Automart. So we're part of the Cox Motor Group. We're attached to the Honda dealership you see in the background here and the Seat dealership to the left of us here. They bring most of the cars that we bring to you in via part exchange, and all of our servicing, MOT repairs are all done on site with our Honda trained technicians. We're situated just off the Apple Road in Kendal, with that lovely viewpoint from the office window, and all of our vehicles are stored on site ready for you to view and drive at your convenience. So I'm just going to take you around this Qashqai. Plenty of spec on here. We've got a little nick on the alloy there, but don't worry, that'll be sorted as part of our preparation. Diamond cut alloy wheels. You've got 360 camera, panoramic sunroof, you know, plenty of spec. You got rear sensors to go with your parking camera as well. And again, alloy there, all in good condition, that one. So I think it's just the front driver's alloy just needs a little bit of attention. I think the rest all looks very good and in very good order for the age and mileage. Inside we go. So you've got the part leather interior with this one as well. Heated front seats, navigation system, multifunction steering wheel. I'll just jump in and confirm the miles for you there at just over 12.5. Like I say, multifunction steering wheel, auto lights, auto wipers, keyless start, keyless entry, and then, as I said, you've got your navigation system, you've got digital radio in here as well, you've got your top view camera and your rear parking camera in there, you've got your dual zone climate control, 6-speed gearbox, heated front seats, 2 manufacturer keys, the works. The panoramic sunroof, so you can put the blind across if you're not a big fan, but lovely for this time of year, sort of Blackpool illuminations, perfect car for that. But yeah, lovely car. It's got 1 service stamp in the book. Obviously we will give it a fresh service and MOT as part of our preparation as well. Thank you very much again for watching. Bye bye for now.